So just a quick demonstration here. So here you see I have the test assignment open. I'm going to, on the other tab over here, I have the actual task one, the rubric for it, and you would have been provided with a link to it. So here you'll see the concept that's being assessed. So here it's actually a concept being assessed, and then the description. And then here you'll see each of the grades 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and aligned with some of the junior cycle language there. And then here you'll see the description that goes with each rubric, which is very important, obviously, because if the value is going to be from the student reading this and making a decision about their work against the rubric, as clear as possible. This is kind of a test. I suppose I'd put there'd be more text in this if I was sharing it with students, just a little bit more. So here's the rubric here. If I go back to classroom, I've put in test assignment, and then the bottom on this side, firstly, it is going to be marked, okay? And then I click on rubric, and I'm going to import the rubric from Sheets. And if you've recently had this open, it'll appear here. So you'll see mine appears here. Or if you were sent a copy, you can upload a copy, or you can do a search, or you can paste in the URL. So if you were given a link, you can paste that in there. You click it, and you go add, and you'll see it'll open up here, the text exactly as it was in the spreadsheet. Just double checking everything looks okay. This is going to be scored, and I'm going to click save. And that's pretty much it. Then I can assign. And then when a student opens that assignment, they'll see the rubric here. You can show them, and then they can make a decision based on their work about how it fits in. When it's assessed, when you go to assess it, you'll click one of these boxes, and when it opens up for the student, it kind of very nicely shows here on a grid how they did on each part. And it's great for feedback and all sorts of things. So that's very basically how to add a rubric using importing from Google Sheets.